Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. For today's video, we got a semi-huge TEMU haul. That is right, I am back with a TEMU haul. How many of these have I done? Too many to count at this time. I think I will create actually a TEMU playlist down below if you're actually interested in everything else that I have done on this channel. I have a lot of hauls on this channel. So if you like trying on clothes and seeing what's cheap, because me, I don't like paying a lot of money for clothes. I just don't. I don't. Let me show you what I got. I'm gonna try a couple of pieces on. Some things are not to try on, so there's like a couple accessories kind of things that I'm excited to show you. So if you like hauls, unboxings, makeup reviews, a lot of that other type of stuff, go ahead and subscribe down below to this channel. I would really appreciate it. It would actually mean like a lot more than you would know. It would mean a lot to me. Please, if you can, go ahead and do that. Like this video, click the notification bell before you leave, and let's go ahead and tune into that video. Well, let me do what's overspilling first, which is this. So this, I actually took a sneak peek because I was really excited about. And then I opened it and I am so disappointed in the material. This feels like a swimsuit material. If you know, you know. It looked really cute as like a cross kind of thing with this, you know, orange green butterfly thing, but it looks so cheap because of the material. Like it's so shiny. I wish it was more like a ribbed material. This is huge, by the way. I got an extra large because I feel like on TEMU, you know how like they make everything really small because of like Asian markets, they're so tiny, so you literally have to get everything bigger. So I got like a size bigger, and I think I made that mistake because look at how huge this is. Like, how is this gonna fit me? Like, on what shoulders? What shoulders do I have where this is gonna fit? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna return it because I don't like this material. I don't think I would be comfy in this material, but I'm gonna try it on for you anyways. And I think it was inexpensive. Let me go to my TEMU app and we shall see. This was $9.98, 10 bucks. I honestly expected more, but let's try it on. Okay, this is a no as well. First of all, I think this would have been cute if it was a different material. Like I said, this is a swimsuit material, so it's kind of cold and uncomfortable. This isn't that bad, okay? I don't mind this, but I did want it to wear to work, so then I would have to wear like an undershirt. The sleeves are a little long. They're just a little bit long. I didn't mind the billow sleeves like this, but I realized that this is not my body shape, and the bigger the sleeves, the bigger I look. So this is a no. And also, I know that this could have been my fault too, that wait, is this supposed to be over the shoulders? Let me look in the mirror. Hold on. I think it's supposed to be over the shoulders like this. Like, I legit think this is how it's supposed to be. But in the photo, I think I saw it like this. But I still think it's too, even if it is, look at how like large this is. Like, what is that? I'm gonna return it because it's falling off of me. Okay, this is my favorite color. It's my favorite color. This purple is everything. This is a really thick and very heavy material. It is very long too. Oh my god, I'm so happy this is long because I want to wear these to work, and you cannot wear crop tops to a office environment, you know? So like, look, it's very long, very ribbed. Look at that detail in the front, that lining, the triangle shape in the bodice. This is gonna be a good shirt. And then it flows out. It's a little bit longer. Oh my goodness. And it's stretchy. I think I got this in an extra large, but I feel like it'll fit me honestly pretty great. Like, I feel like this material this is what I wanted from the other shirt, and I didn't get it. This material is amazing. If I paid 10 bucks, I'd be happy for this. $10.78. Look at that. I guessed. $10 for this shirt. That is amazing. I got it in solid slim rib knit sweater, elongated whatever, in extra large. Yeah, they have so many colors. They have a blue, they have a white, they have like a oatmeal color, a black, a pink, a deep purple, the one that I got. Guys, go check this out. I haven't even started wearing it, and I'm telling you to go check it out. Let's try it on. What is this? What? Okay, first of all, it's so big. Maybe I should have got like a large, okay? Maybe that was my mistake. Or a medium, because look at this. Like, it gives me no shape. It's so unflattering. And then look at this. Wow, even if I would have got, okay, look, listen, even if I would have got like a medium or a large, this wouldn't solve the hand issues. I have pretty longish arms, like they fit like into a normal sweater perfectly fine. This is ridiculous. I'm returning this. Returning, okay. You might be saying, do you need another pillow? Yes, yes I do. Specifically to work. I have a pillow already at work, but it's kind of deflated and it has a hole, so I want to bring it home. But I think I want this pillow more because this is more my style because it's purple. The other one is pink. I think the pink one I might just keep it or give it to my dog or something. This is very squishy. Like it's so squishy. I love it. But yeah, I got this cute little pillow. I thought it was so cute. I'm going to put it on my desk. So when I work, I usually like to put like my stuff right here, start typing. I don't know, I'm very weird. I need to have something like in my hands or like on me. My sensory disorder just goes a little crazy sometimes and I need something to just push me down. This is $6.98 and I think it was a really, really great find and I freaking love it. And let's go to the next item. So I just had to change my battery, so if stuff looks funky, the colors look funky, that's probably why. Okay, let me show you a couple accessories that I got. So the first one is this necklace. I got this very cute butterfly necklace. I'm not wearing anything. I don't know about the clasp though. I can't really do it with my nails. If you see a lot of nails of the same color since Christmas in a lot of these videos, mind your business. I'm batch filming, okay? Thank you. Oh, I got it. I got it. And that is the necklace right there. It's really pretty. And it lays very beautifully. Like I really like how it looks. Cute. I like it. Necklace was $3.48, which is pretty. It has the one butterfly and then the two hanging. It's really cute. I really like it. I also got these earrings. Ooh. So this is cute actually. So it's like it's a mini hoop. So you wear it as a hoop and then it has a dangly flower on it. I got it through the hole. I just need to clasp it. You know, I can't figure out how to clasp it, so I'm just gonna show you. So that is how it would look. It's not a bad earring, but I have to figure out how to clasp it. And right now, kind of hurt putting this in. So I'm gonna take it out for now and I will try it again. Obviously it comes with the second set, the second pack right here. If I don't like it, I will return it or I will give it to someone in my family who wants it. Oh, let me put my other earring back on before I forget, because if I don't put it on, I will forget and I will not put it back on. Okay, the earrings were $1.34 and it says it's 18 gold plated, 18 karat gold plated, which I don't know about the dollar. I don't know. I have a lot more clothes, but I just want to get the little stuff out of the way. I also got this accessory USB port. I also got this USB port that has, you know, an extra port because I need these, especially for filming. This has 4. It has 1 right here and then it has 3 right here. Like, I really need these. So I'll actually let you know right here if this works. Let's go back to the clothes. I got these jeans. I really hope they fit me because they look so freaking cute. Look at the embroiderment. Look at this embroiderment in them. Look at this. Isn't this so freaking cute? It goes on your booty like that. Oh my god, this for work and then like cute little top with these colors would look adorable. They are bell bottoms I don't mind bell bottoms with the right shoe, like either with the heel or a boot, even some Air Forces. I think they look cute, so I don't mind it. I'm just afraid that this might be a little big because I have been losing a little bit of weight and I'm just afraid that this is a little big. I'm in between sizes and it's so hard to find jeans right now. It's so freaking hard and I hate it. Yeah, let's go ahead and see what this is. This is size extra large because I did size up because Temu, you never know what their size is. Like sometimes a large might be oversized, sometimes an extra large is too tiny. Like, so I just went safe and went up. And if they don't fit, they don't fit and I'm gonna return them. So let's kind of try them on. Here are the jeans. I don't like how this does this. It's really weird and it's so tight right here, but like there's so much room right here. Look at this. Like I could literally get this much. It's a lot. I like the detail in the back. This looks good. I like this, but it's not, it's such a weird material because like the jeans are so stretchy. I feel like they need more of a hold and it's not holding me in, so it's not giving me the shape that I want. And the bell bottoms are just ridiculous. Like, that's weird. I don't like that. So I'm gonna return these. I'm gonna return them. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Oh, this color. I'm surprised I don't have anything this color. I am shocked that I don't have anything this color. Look at how cute this crop top is. It's gonna be beautiful. I mean, it's crop, okay, but look, I could wear high-waisted jeans or high-waisted leggings and I can wear this to work because it is kind of like a work kind of thing, and then I can wear like a little blazer or jacket on top. I think it'd be super cute. It is the lettuce material. It is the lettuce material on the sleeves and then the lettuce material at the bottom. I already know I'm gonna keep this. Like, I already know I'm gonna wear this. This is extra large, color purple, for $3.99. $3.99. The whole thing is that if you're interested, they go extra small to extra large, so this is actually the biggest size. They have like navy blue, red, gray, light blue, regular blue. So like, I think if you like this, they have different colors. Maybe you don't like the plum. I love the plum. But maybe you want a different color. $3.99. It's gonna be a great basic, like basic tee. But yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. So here is the purple top. I really like it. What do you guys think? I like the color of it. It's really cute. I really like it. Okay, so I got a lot of like long sleeves because I don't really have long sleeves, especially to work. I have like those frilly, very thin, flowy material type of cute things, but it's freezing. In my office, we switched buildings not that long ago. I work for a tech company and it is freezing, and I'm there for like 9-10 hours out of the day and I'm freezing, and I don't have like long sleeves. That's why I was like, I need to stock up on long sleeves. This is so warm. This feels so soft. This is so weird because I literally just got a black one from another TEMU haul, and I think it's literally the same design and everything, but that one felt so cheap. This one feels so soft. Like, it is so soft. I don't know if you could see the material, but this is literally one of the softest things I've felt in a long time. It is so soft. It's a really pretty pale blue. I don't know if the blue is going to complement me so much. I wish it was a little more bright, but I do like this color. I think this would be perfect for work because it is long. It has a long sleeve. It is the lettuce material at the bottom and the bottom of the sleeve. So I think it's really like it. And I do like the design on the boobie area. So yeah, so let's go ahead and try it. Oh wait, before we do, prices. $6.69. See, in the image, let me show you the image. Doesn't it look so much brighter? Like, this looks so much brighter in the image than in real life. That's why I was like, ooh, that's a pretty blue. Like, it's very bright. Regardless, I loved it. The blues and purples are my favorite colors. So let's go ahead and try it on. This is so freaking cute. Look at this. I love it. I love how long it is. I love how soft it is. So velvety soft. I like the V-cut to this detail right here. I am in love with this shirt, the color. I know I said I wanted to be a little more brighter, but honestly, it works good. And then you can tuck it in. So it looks good tucked in. It looks good tucked out. This is cute. This is cute. I like it. Then I got a gray, similar to that blue one, but it's gray. It has the same material. It's so soft. Oh, this material, whatever they make it out of, this material is one of the softest things that I've felt, and I feel like it's gonna be very warm. So it's just a V-neck, which I'm gonna love this for work because it is so freaking soft. It's just a ribbed gray long sleeve, no lattice cuts, just like a traditional long sleeve, super long, so it's gonna be perfect for work. And yeah, and I think this was like $5 as well. Did I tell you the one for the blue one is $6.69. This one is $7.19. Yeah, it's very cute, and they have a bunch of different colors, and this one actually goes up to XXL. It's so cute. Let's go ahead and try it on. So this one is super comfy. It's super warm. I actually wore this last night for New Year's Eve, and I wore it to bed because of how comfortable I was. I was like, I'm just gonna sleep in this because I'm so soft and comfy, and I like how long it is, so it actually does go over, like, you know, pants, and then you can tuck it in if you wanted to. That's how it would look tucked in, or you can tuck it out however you would like, and I really like it. Yeah, it's a good one. I like this. Soft. It's very soft. Okay, 2 more things for this haul and we are done. So I got a little compact mirror, which I will be throwing in my purse. I don't think I have a mirror. I do have some of these, but not like in every purse that I have. Look at this one. This is beautiful. It's black with purple butterflies on it, and it's just a compact mirror. Like, one side is magnified, one side is really magnified. Wow. Okay, maybe I don't want to be up that close. Never mind. I'm gonna go to the regular one. This is perfect because you can look at yourself right here, but then down here you're super magnified. So you want to look at your boogers, you can see if you have any boogers during dinner. But yeah. So super cute. It is a leather material, which I really like. I think it's good. and this little compact thing, which is so beautiful. I love this. It's $2.18. So if you need compact mirrors or if you want to gift it to anyone, highly, highly recommend. They feel good quality, like very, very sturdy, and it's a compact mirror. It's really cute. So yeah, last thing is this. Okay, I don't know about you, but I get freaked out when I'm alone all the time. Like, I don't want to go to the store alone. I don't want to put gas alone. I don't want to walk by myself. Like, you guys, we live in Southern California and there are some freaks here, okay? There is some crazy people here. So this is an alarm. I don't want to pull it because it's gonna freak out my dog. So if you pull this, it's super, super loud, like banging alarm, like it's gonna wake everyone up kind of thing. And then it has a light. So if you see that light, so it's a light and it has an alarm, and all you have to do is put it in your wrist and just walk around with this. And honestly, no one's really gonna know what this is because it kind of looks like a car key. And then if you throw on a pom-pom, it also comes with the pom-pom, but it comes with the alarm. You throw on the pom-pom, like everyone's gonna think it's just a key, right? So you just carry it around, but then like if someone tries to grab you, I hope this never happens to me, to you, to anyone. I really, really don't, because it's scary. If anyone tries messing with you, you just pull this. You just pull this and a huge alarm goes off, and the alarm doesn't stop until you put it back in. It also comes with the actual like butterfly chain, which is cute. So this was a piece of like 8 or 9 for less than $10, I think. And I've looked at these at like TikTok, and TikTok is selling them for like $50, the freaking ridiculous price. I looked in them on Amazon. They're also like 20 bucks. Temu, I found them the cheapest with like the cutest designs of like the butterflies, obviously. It also comes with like a lip gloss holder. It comes with a sanitizer. So it comes with a sanitizer. I don't think there's not any sanitizer in it, so you have to put your own sanitizer. And then it comes with a bottle opener, and then it comes with another like lip gloss holder, and then it comes with a whistle. And then with lip gloss all over. And then it comes with a whistle. So I wouldn't mind carrying this around, like especially at work when I'm walking by myself. That way I do have some type of protection. I mean, it's not a lot, it's an alarm, but you know, it freaks people out. So, oh, and it also comes with one of these things where you like, you know, when you're touching things or when you hold open a door or something. Yeah, so it's like a touch screen so you don't get germs on you. You put it together and you walk around with your keys jingly like. So yeah, that was my TEMU haul. My hair is getting sticky because of my body oil. Okay, let me know what you think down below in the comments. What was your favorite item? I don't know what my favorite item. I mean, honestly, this is a beautiful color, so I don't know. Let me know down below what your favorite item was. I really do like this necklace. This necklace is really pretty. But yeah, thank you so much for coming. If you do like these types of hauls, unboxings, makeup reviews, I have a bunch of that stuff on my channel. I would really appreciate it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. I'm trying to do this thing where I reach 3,000 subscribers. On 3,000 subscribers, we're going to do a huge giveaway. So go ahead, help me reach that goal. I really do appreciate it. Go ahead, subscribe. It's right there. Okay, anyways, go ahead and like this video. It really does help out my channel so much. And click the little notification bell before you leave so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!